How to install 64 Riviera seatbelts in 60 seconds. Remove rear seat. Find mouse houses. More mouse houses. Random trash. Read auction trash from 96. More mouse houses. Take off mouse P sound deadener. Look at instructions from 64. Clean. Find factory dimples. Drill factory dimples. Drill more factory dimples. Drill again. Buy new seatbelts. Put new sound deadener down. Install seatbelts. Seal seatbelt hardware. Rear blocker. Rear upper seat buckets. Speaker grill. Find elf doll from 1984. Install seatbelts in lower seat. Secure elf doll. Complete.